I got good news and I got bad news. The good news is we have a really cool pre-owned travel trailer. The bad news is there's a lot of traffic today and a ton of noise, so bear with me. That being said, welcome to HB RV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. This is a pre-owned Nash 22H. It is built by the same manufacturer that does Arctic Fox fifth wheels, Arctic Fox travel trailers, Arctic Fox truck campers. Same company that also makes Outdoors RV. Now, this is generator prepped. Now, one of the really cool things about Nash is almost every one of them ever built has the ability to have a built-in generator put inside. Well, look at that. Spoiler alert, there's a price on it already of $13,000. It has no slide out, 10-gallon hot water heater, outside shower, black tank flush, power awning. Now, the other thing you got to know about anything built under the Arctic Fox or Nash umbrella here is they build their own chassis. So they don't use a chassis from Lippert or BAL or any of the NXG companies. They basically use their own framing company, build their own frame. You have your power tongue jack, 2 batteries, 2 propane tanks. Now, if this is, you'll probably notice this is like a 4 or 5 minute video. I try to keep these very short and quick because they are pre-owned. And pre-owned, wow, that installation is really nice. I could barely hear the freeway noise. That's crazy. One of the things that I do love about doing a pre-owned walkthrough is, even though we do have product knowledge about it, not a lot of you care about that. You're buying this because of the price point, and usually it's a name brand recognition type of thing. Like, for example, if you have a $6,000 budget, you're not buying a 2013, 14, 15 Outdoors RV or Northwood Manufacturing product. You're probably going to buy something quite a bit older. One of the things that I really like to look for in a used unit is for water damage. So I can tell you the roof is in really good shape, and I can tell you there's no water damage in this coach at all. That's the beauty of it. It's got newer tires. I think the tires are just about a year old. I like all the cabinets. I like that fact that you got a sleeper sofa, lights, plenty of windows. There's a lot of natural light in here. I didn't feel like I had to plug it in and turn on every light in God's green earth. Got 13,500 BTU air conditioner, solar. The original price on it was $14,995. Obviously, it's been discounted to $13 grand. Got flat screen TV, microwave, 3-burner stove and oven, 6 cubic foot propane electric refrigerator. Everything works in it. I already tested everything out, tested for leaks, electrical issues. This thing is solid. Nice closet, toilet's in a good spot, big sink, nice size shower. Now, there is financing available on something like this. Now, typically it's going to be like a 4 or 5 year loan. It's not going to be a 20-year loan. I get that question a lot. Oh, well, if I take a 20-year loan on it, that's not the way it works. Okay, I hate to say it, but the dollar amount financed determines what your actual length of the loan is. In fact, if you look in the top right hand corner of this video, you're going to see a short, real quick video that's actually going to go over the RV financing basics. And if you wait to the end of that video, you will see a playlist, so that way you can determine if you want more information. As always, if you remember, RV always stands for toolkit and sense of humor.